Hi everyone, I recently updated from my trusty Apple Watch SE to the new Apple Watch Series 10, and this is my review after a few weeks of wearing it. The first thing I noticed when I unboxed it was the bigger screen. I chose the 46mm version, which is a nice bump up from my old 40mm model. This larger display really enhances everything from readability to aesthetics. Switching from my old watch to the new one was also super smooth, thanks to the Apple's seamless setup process. Now let me share the 10 practical uses of my Apple Watch that make it a game changer for me. Tracking my workouts. Staying active is crucial, and the Apple Watch Series 10 has become my go-to fitness buddy. It offers a range of workout modes that adapt to different activities, from running and strength training. With this watch, I can monitor my heart rate, calories burned, and exercise intensity, helping me to reach my fitness goals and stay accountable. Notifications. Being connected without constantly looking at my phone is such a plus. With the Apple Watch, I get notifications from apps like WhatsApp, Messenger, and others right on my wrist. The larger screen makes it easy to read messages at a glance and even send quick replies. It's perfect for staying in the loop without distractions, especially during workouts or meetings. Alarms. I love using the Apple Watch as my personal alarm clock. The haptic feedback feature means I can set a silent alarm that gently vibrates on my wrist without disturbing anyone else. Sleep tracking. Getting a good sleep is crucial, and the Series 10 takes sleep tracking to the next level. It monitors my sleep stages and offers insights to my sleep quality, helping me to understand my sleep patterns better. The upcoming sleep apnea detection is a lifesaver for anyone with potential sleep issues, providing actionable insights that help me prioritize my rest and overall well-being. Vitals data. The Apple Watch Series 10 can track various vitals including heart rate, breathing, blood oxygen levels, and even wrist temperature. These health stats give me a deeper understanding of my body's performance and overall health. It's like having a mini health lab on my wrist, and it's great for catching potential issues early on. Siri access. With Siri on the Apple Watch, I can easily get things done by speaking to my watch, whether I'm setting reminders, checking the weather, or sending a quick message. Medications reminder. One of the features I love is the medication reminder. I can log my daily vitamins, and the watch sends me gentle nudges to take them on time. This feature is so handy in keeping my health routines consistent, and I don't have to worry about missing a dose when life gets busy. Answer calls. Answering calls from my watch is such a handy feature, especially when my phone isn't within reach. The built-in speaker and the microphone are clear, so I can handle quick calls directly on my watch. It's great for multitasking, and also the finger tap gesture is cool. Find items. With Apple's Find My integration, I can track my devices, keys, or any other items linked to AirTags right from my wrist. This is a lifesaver if I ever misplace my phone or wallet. The watch helps me to locate them quickly without the usual panic or frantic searching. Last but not the least, checking the time. This is still a watch after all. The new wide-angle OLED screen is making it easier to check the time in any angles. Plus, the always-on display definitely feels like a premium upgrade over my previous watch. Overall, I'm genuinely happy with the Apple Watch Series 10 after several weeks of use. Because of the 10 things I just mentioned, plus the improvements in battery life and the fast charging feature, these have made a real difference in my day-to-day routine. For anyone into fitness or already in the Apple ecosystem, I highly recommend considering this watch as your next upgrade. Thanks for watching, and if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or what features you love about the Apple Watch Series 10.